guys, welcome back again to another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking the Zealot S89 and the Zealot ZE21 outside to compare both speakers. Let's see which one does it better in an open space. When it comes to outdoor sound comparison, it all falls down to which one can handle an open space better. Regarding the fact that you can't control the weather condition, it could be raining outside, windy, sunny, or even snowing. With that in mind, which one of these speakers can handle that pressure better? The total peak power for both speakers is 250 watts, but in most cases, it's not all about the watts. I've seen speakers with higher watts that actually sound terrible in an open space. So the criteria for this should be, if for instance you want to take your speaker outside, listen to music, or probably want to throw an outdoor mini party, whatever the case may be, and you want to rely on the sound from either one of these two speakers, which one can actually give you a better sound, which one can cover that space, which one can actually deliver a good sound even in an open space with all that windy, sunny, whatever the weather condition might be. That is the essence of this video. So if you're looking to get one for yourself, this is definitely the video for you. And like I've explained earlier, if you're curious, then this is definitely the video for you as well. In this sound comparison, we're going to be comparing both speakers in different volume, 50% and 100%, and at the same time with different beats. Different beats is going to bring different results, so I advise you stay to the end of this video. Some beats have heavy bass and some with lesser bass, so you definitely want to stay to the end to get a proper clarity on how both speakers stack up against each other regarding sound in an open space, of course. So do it to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know which one you think killed it. Previously, I've done an indoor sound comparison between both speakers, so you can find that in this YouTube channel. And if you're curious to know more about their features, price, and all that stuff, you can check out the unboxing videos of both speakers in this channel. To make it easier, I'm going to be adding the links to those videos in the description below, so check it out. And for purchase link, you can also check the description as well. In this video, the weather condition might not be the best for filming, but I'm going to leave it like that because I intend to make the video natural and raw. And we're going to be playing both speakers on different EQ modes. Both speakers are rugged, so let's see which one can handle an outdoor environment. Let's go. Focal boost EQ, 50% volume. Vocal boost EQ, 50% volume. Let's go. normal EQ. Let's go. %, volume, normal EQ. Check it out. Volume, vocal boost EQ. Let's go. Volume, vocal boost, EQ. EQ, 50% volume. Let's go. Normal EQ, 50% volume.